This Millwood Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Cindy Long. Wow! Lots of extra sprinkler system, well, garden shed, covered patio, RO system and kitchen, stainless steel appliances, double oven, main floor laundry, washer and dryer remain, newer windows, 2 non-code bedrooms and basement, and a beautiful walk-in shower bath, large rec room. Radon mitigation system installed. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Long at 785-822-5559.